Gender reveal parties are a special way to share the excitement of welcoming a new family member. Planning one can be as thrilling as the reveal itself. First, pick a theme. It sets the tone for the event. Popular themes include bees for what will it be, balloons, or something unique to your family's interests. Next, create your guest list. Think about who you want to share this moment with. Then, send out invitations that match your theme to build anticipation. Choose a venue. Your home or a local park can be perfect. Decorate with colors and items that align with your theme. Think pink and blue or neutral palettes for a surprise. The reveal is the heart of the party. Decide how you'll share the news. Balloon pops, cake colors, or a confetti cannon are all fun options. Plan your menu. Offer snacks and drinks that fit the theme. Pink lemonade or blue punch are festive choices. Don't forget a cake or sweet treat for the reveal. Include games and activities. They keep guests entertained and can hint at the reveal. Guessing games or old wives' tales quizzes add to the fun. Remember, the goal is to celebrate. Enjoy the process, and look forward to the moment you share your joyous news with loved ones. Happy planning!